Okay, what's up guys? So check this out, right? I meant to do a video about this last week. I just got so caught up with, things, life, whatever. But if you want to check out this video on YouTube, it's called Probability Comparison, Phobias and Fears. So, I'm looking at this and I found a lot of things interesting, right? 1 in 33, fear of needles. Now look, I put this little presentation together, right? Check this out. So this whole thing with Bill Gates and the vaccines, right? Mr. Vaccine, you know, has his little foundation right across the street from the Space Needle. So, anyways, in Gematria though, right? Look at this, Bill Gates, 33, right? Mr. Vaccine, Mr. Needle Man. Huh? I also noticed this too, right? When you type in like fear of needles and then uh trypanophobia. Look at all the 65, 65, 65, pandemic 65, virus slash germ 65. Unreal. 151 is the 36th prime. COVID-19 equals 36. Unreal. And as, I go through this video, I'm noticing, all these things, I'm thinking about germs. I'm seeing the germ thing, 1 in 46 people are afraid of germs. Germophobia 64, a reflection of 46. But also viruses 46. So, virus, germs, And then I decided to type it out, 1 in 46. And I got 193, which is the 44th prime, right? And the reason why I'm making that connection is because, now everybody's all jerked off and people are afraid to go outside because of the germs. So I found that really interesting how they, put it right there and right, you know what I'm saying? Like, okay, all right, okay. And then I found some other stuff. My presentation got all botched over here, but it goes up the list, 141. I was looking for certain things, but I couldn't really find too much. But I found this interesting: the 206 and the 26. So, and I typed in this: 1 in 41 equals 38, kind of like pandemic, and full reduction 38. This was interesting right here too. This whole thing right here: fear of rats. 293. 1 in 293 people have a fear of rats. Now, when you type in fear of rats, you get 62 in reverse full reduction, which is the alphabet backwards with the rules of numerology. So Z is 1, A is 8 because A is 26 and the rules of numerology. 6 plus 2 is 8. But you get 62. Now, notice that 293, I might have not captured it down here on the screenshot. Well, 293 is the 62nd prime number. So, but just in case you don't take my word for it, just in case you're not taking my word. All right, 293. Let's click into these number properties. 293. See, 293 is the 62nd prime number, and that's exactly why I made that connection. So I found that interesting. And then, the chart goes up, fear of doctors, 613. I found that interesting because June 13th of, this year, and every year really, June 13th, days left in the year, 201, 201, event 201. Makes a lot of sense if you ask me. And, for the people who aren't aware of event 201, we can check it out real quick if you're not aware of it. Let's see. Oh, then there it is. So, it's a pandemic exercise, right? Event 201 held by Bill Gates, 33. So there's that part. And, 613, I just found it interesting. Fear of doctors. Doctors got the needles, needles. Fear of needles, 33, 201. It's a lot. 643, which again, doctors, needles, hospitals. 643 is the 117th prime. And obviously my screenshots didn't work here, which is okay. So I'll just do it in real time. But keep that number 117 in your mind. So 643 is the 117th prime, right? Okay. The 117th prime. We take all these other ciphers off. Got 0 ciphers up there, right? But reverse full reduction, EP. Now look at this. Fear of hospitals. Is this not it? Hold on, I think it's this one. Huh. It's not. Hold on. Is it this? Hold on. Something is 117. Oh, I didn't screenshot it right, huh? Let's see if the paint thing has it. Here it is, paint. What is this? Huh. Reverse full reduction EP. Oh, it's gonna fuck with me now, huh? Reverse full reduction EP. Huh. That's strange. Whoa, that is strange. Well, something down here did equal 117. And I got no way to see it now. Which is burnt. But it did. Fear of hospitals. Unless I'm spelling it wrong. Not spelling it wrong. I don't know where I seen it. Where did I see the 117? Why is it 118 all of a sudden? What? Maybe I spelled, I don't know, because the S is the S. Fears. No. Maybe I said a fear of hospitals? I don't know. I don't know what's going on there. There it is. Okay. Okay. A fear of hospitals. 117. Right? That's what happened there. Okay. So, just strange to see all that come together. 643 is the 117th prime, fear of hospitals when you add A. So I found that interesting, but that's it. That's all I really got. But check that video out if you're interested, and pretty much that's what it is.